Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing this very simple look. Nothing very spectacular about the way it was made, or however you want to put it. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So I am starting with brows as usual, and today I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. And next I'm going in with concealer, and today I am using the HD Studio Photogenic concealer from NYX. And next I'm going in with powder, so I'm using the Wonder powder from Makeup Store, and this is in the color Nevada. So next I'm going in with eyes, and today I will be using the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I will be starting by going in with Cigar and putting this in my crease. Like so. And now I will be going in with this tiny chromatic shadow, and this is from something called Hot Makeup. I can't see a shade name, but it has the numbers 11279 on it. Looks like these. So I'm just going to put this on my lid. And for my inner corner, I will be going in with Milky Way. And now I will be going in with the Master Smoky Shadow Pencil from Maybelline. And I will just be putting a bit of this right next to my lash line. And I will be putting this in my waterline as well, upper waterline. And for my lower lash line, I'm just going in a bit with Cigar again. And for mascara, I'm using the Emotion Allowed mascara from Icona Milano. And to set my eyebrows in place, I'm using the Pixi by Petra Brow Tamer. To finish off my face, I'm going back in with the Infinity palette. And I'm starting with shading, so I'm using the colors Mafe and Cigar. And for blush, I'm going in with Andromeda. And for highlight, I am of course going back in with Milky Way. And the last step today will be lips. So I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Crushed. something like that. So you just hang on a moment and I'll get my hair ready and I'll be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It is obviously a super simple look, no falsies or anything like that. Super simple eyes with a bit of a colorful lip, just the way I like it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see in my next video. And I will see you next time. Bye!